If you're fascinated by magic but think it's just for fairy tales, meet a real-life enchantment, the immortal jellyfish. Picture this: a tiny jellyfish no bigger than your fingernail, swimming in the warm waters of the tropics. This isn't just any jellyfish. It's the Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. What makes it immortal? Well, whenever it faces extreme stress or injury, it does something extraordinary. Instead of dying, it transforms all the way back to its earliest form, a blob-like polyp. It's like a video game character with infinite lives. Imagine a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar or a frog to a tadpole. That's the daily reality for these jellyfish. It's their secret to potentially living forever. While they can't avoid predators or disease, in perfect conditions, these little survivors can cycle through their stages endlessly. So next time you're feeling the weight of the years, just remember the immortal jellyfish, literally turning back the clock in the face of danger. Nature truly is full of wonders.